Alright, y'all, I am here with another video, and as we can see, it's involving my Hoover wind tunnel here. And we got this mat here and that one right there that I'm going to empty onto the rug here. It's the original rug I had, and we are going to do a giant amount of sand test. So you can see I'm dumping it out here. Ooh, a lot of dust too. Yep, a lot of sand and dust. You can't even see the pattern. In fact, a lot of it's gone. So put that over there. Move this stuff out of the way. Oh, we got it wet here. Well, hopefully it's just the bottom. I think it is, otherwise I don't think really any would be falling out of it. Okay. So that's that. So here we go. Oh man. Just broke the cord retainer off. Yeah. Hopefully nothing else does. That definitely sucks, but not a whole lot I could do about it. I mean, unless I find another handle for it, I I'm pretty much sore out of luck right there. Yeah, I mean, overall, it definitely picked up all the sand. I'm pretty sure, anyway, because these Hoovers are definitely a lot like the more powerful units. Like, as far as the non-direct air units go, like, Hoover has made a lot of really powerful units. Like, a lot of the convertibles, the concepts, dilematics, and all them kinds of units. Well, dilematics not direct air, so the concepts, the Power Max, the elites, and the Supreme Power Drives or Power Drive Supreme. I've heard it both ways, but these I want to say definitely win for the most baseliness as far as the bypass machines go, or clean air. But yeah, I love this wind tunnel. It's the only childhood one I have as far as the wind tunnels go, because like I said, my sister, and I believe I called her Janet for namesakes. I legit do not know a Janet in real life. So there should be no Janet saying, hey, why'd you say my name? But anyway, yeah, that's the Hoover Wind Tunnel. So all I need is the purple one that my mom had, and I'll be good to go as far as those go. Anyway, and tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content if you haven't yet. And if you want to help support the channel, you can click the super thanks and send a super comment. You can send supers in live chats. You can become a channel member. Or outside of YouTube, you can go to Patreon and become a patron of the purple level tier, which will allow you to see exclusive videos. You can become a pink level tier member just to see pictures that I won't be posting until later, early access. And if you want to donate, direct donate, you can go to Coffee, links in the description if you want to do that. But if you want to watch my content for free, that's an option as well. Anyways, until next time, bye y'all.